so just landed in Las Vegas. It's about 11 a.m. and this time out I'm renting a car from Diplomat Exotic Rentals. They're hooking me up with an NSX and a Ferrari 458, and they're gonna go drag racing against the guys over at Speed Vegas. They're on the way to pick me up right now. Here we go. Rolls-Royce Ghost. All right, so next up we got Dodge Demon versus Nissan GT-R Nismo. He's got the race gas in, 840 horsepower against the Nismo, 600 horsepower. He's got Hoosier slicks on the back, normal drag radials on the front. The Nissan GT-R is running on regular OEM tires, and but he's got all-wheel drive. Now we're out here at Speed Vegas Part 2. They're gonna be doing a drag race down the back straight, which is about a half a mile long. We're gonna have a flagger on the line. Now, the Demon's a little out of its element here because it doesn't have a prep drag strip. Nonetheless, he's gonna try and heat up the tires to try and come off pretty hard. But I think he might spin a little bit, the Nissan's gonna get out, and then the extra horsepower, the Demon should pass it. But whether or not he can pass it by the end of the race down at those cones, we'll just have to see. So we got the cars cambered up. Let's give it a couple revs, get him out on the track and see what happens. All right, so now he also has an electronic valve that dumps the exhaust right out the motor. So he's gonna hit that button, and I'm gonna see what it sounds like right here. I probably need some air flex though. Go for it.
Very nice. Probably 15.
All right, so quick drink break. We gotta adjust pressures on the Demon here. What are you dropping to there, buddy?
15.
15 PSI, what were you at?
25.
Oh yeah, definitely drop it some.
Yeah, that would not have been good.
Please don't go off track.
I pushed the brake immediately and it just kept going.
All right, that was a really close race. We're gonna do one more. The car's pulling up right now again. We're gonna do one more Nismo versus the Demon, which is about to do his burnout right here. Here he goes. Nice. All right, here we go. We got race 2. All right, looked like the Demon, the GT-R Nismo definitely got off the line quicker that time. I'm not sure if the Demon could catch him at all. Here comes the Nismo.
Alright, there's 2 in a row for the Nismo.
Good job, buddy. Good luck. You had him the whole time there, right?
Made the Nismo look good, huh?
Nismo's looking bad. It's coming off strong. Here comes the Dodge Demon. All right, so there you go. You got Nismo GT-R versus the Dodge Demon. Obviously, Speedway Vegas is not the best environment for a Demon to hook up off the line. Nevertheless, he got the tires hot as he could. Came off decently, I thought, but it looks like the GT-R just had a little edge on him, and I think the Demon was probably starting to catch him down, but we'll review the footage and check it out. So next up, I think we got NSX versus Huracan, or the 2 Huracans versus each other. So make sure and hit that subscribe button for the next series of races over here at Speed Vegas, along with Diplomat Exotic Cars in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching.